Hello guys, welcome you to Grasp English with Menu, and today I'm gonna discussing with you that some useful question and answers for conversation in daily life. जो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स हम हिंदी में जो है यूज करते हैं, एक दूसरे से पूछते हैं क्वेश्चन। अगर हमसे कोई पूछता है तो हम उसका आंसर करते हैं, या हमें किसी से क्वेश्चन पूछा तो हम हिंदी में पूछते हैं। तो किस तरह से हम उसे इंग्लिश में कन्वर्सेट करके पूछ सकते हैं या उसका आंसर दे सकते हैं। डेली जो है हम यूज करते हैं जो वर्ड्स, उनको किस तरह से इंग्लिश में हम कन्वर्सेट करेंगे, वही हम आज यहाँ पर सीखेंगे। ठीक है, बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, इफ यू आर न्यू इन आवर चैनल देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब नाउ सो दैट यू कैन गेट लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स ऑफ आवर चैनल। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं टॉपिक। Now the first question is, if anyone asks from us that how are you, then how we have to give answer to that question is I am fine, thanks, and you? What is your full name? My full name is Meenu Negi. Are you American? No, I am not. I am Indian. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. I speak English. How did you learn English? I have been studying by myself. Why are you learning English? I need it from my job. Do you like learning English? Yes, I really like it. What is your hobby? I like playing sports, especially cricket. What time is it? It is 10 o'clock. What is the day today? Today is May 1st. Where are you from? I am from Chandigarh. Where do you come from? I come from Shimla. What's your job? I am unemployed at the moment. What do you do? I am a student. What's your profession? I am an English teacher. How was your day? Very productive. Are you happy today? Yes, I am. Are you okay? Yeah, I am fine. Are you hungry? Yes, I am starving. Can I ask you a few personal questions? Certainly. यहाँ पे certainly का मतलब क्या है? हिंदी में हम इसे बोलते हैं निश्चित रूप से, कि आप निश्चित रूप से मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं। Are you married? Yes, I have been married for 2 years now. How many children do you have? I have 2 children, a boy and a girl. Can you lend me some money? Sorry, I have not got any. Did you lock the door? I'll go and check. Are you hungry? No, I am not. What would you like to drink? Nothing for me, thanks. May I open the window? Certainly. It's very hot in the office today. Is it raining? Yes, take an umbrella. How is the weather? Gorgeous, a perfect summer day. Do you like to read? I don't have the time, but I used to read a lot. May I ask you a favor? It depends on what it is. Were there many people at the meeting? No, very few. How long have you known each other? Since childhood. Can you see me? No, I can't see you. How was the party? Boring. I could not wait to get out of there. What kind of movies do you like most? I am a big fan of animated movies. And what about you? Are there any problems? No, everything is okay. How can I go to City Mall? Sorry, I'm new here too. Did Sonu and Monu go to the wedding? No, they were not invited. How are you feeling? Great, but never better. Do you watch TV a lot? No, I don't. How was the trip? It was so fun. How about some more tea? Yes, please. Can I help you? No, I'm just looking around to see what is available. Do you like reading? I am really keen on it. Is it alright if I park my car here? Yes, it's quite alright. Have you ever been to Shimla? Yes, I went there last month. Do you work from home? No, I work at an office. How far is it from here? It's about 5 minutes walk. What do you think of this matter? I think that's a good idea. Would you like to play tennis? No, let's go for a cricket. What's wrong with you? There is something wrong with TV. Would you like to go to the cinema tonight? Why not? Would you like to come with us? Yes, that would be great. Did you like the movie? It was not bad. How often do you have a vacation? I have a vacation once a year. Is that too much sugar? No, it's just right. Do you have any money? Yes, there is some in my wallet. What makes you happy? Going to the park. Will you come to class tomorrow? Yes, I will. Who are those people? I don't know who those people are. How many dogs have you got? None. Is there any chapati? Yes, there is a lot of chapati left. Do you like Indian food? I love Indian food. What is your marital status? I am married. Are your friends staying at a hotel? No, they are staying with me. Have you ever been to Canada? I have been there 3 times. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers. Do you want some more tea? No thanks, I have had 2 cups already. Where did you go? I went shopping with a friend. What's the weather like today? It's pouring, take an umbrella. Would you like something to drink? Thank you. Could I have a cup of tea and some sandwich? How was the party? Crazy. It was absolutely packed. Would you like to meet for lunch tomorrow? Sure, let's do lunch. Where did you get this picture? It was given to me by a friend of mine. Do you think it's going to rain? Yes, look at those great clouds. What's the matter? I'm not feeling so good. Are you doing anything this evening? Yes, I'm going out with some friends. Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you very clearly. How can I help you? Yes, please, I want to. How would you like to pay? I'd like to pay by cash. That is not your car, is it? No, it is my father. Would you like to go out tonight? I'd rather not. You have not eaten yet, have you? No, I'm not hungry. Are you tired? I was earlier, but I'm not now. Any message for me? Yes, here's something for you. Are you coming? Maybe not. Is it close to here? No, it's far from here. What profession would you like to have? I'd like to become a teacher. Anything else? No, thank you, that's all. Would you like something to eat? I'd like to have dinner. Does this train go to Chandigarh? I think so. How did you feel today? I feel great today. Why were you late? The traffic was bad. Why do you go by bus? Because it's cheaper than the train. Okay guys, hope you like this video. It's time to leave now, but don't forget to like and subscribe to get latest updates. Thanks. Bye bye. Thank you so much.